Good morning, everyone. This is Vieta from Home Staging Step by Step. And this is a short preview of my upcoming course, Home Staging for Everyone, a step by step guide on how to do it yourself as like a pro and sell your house successfully. So, just to give you a quick look on one of the modules. So, we are discussing in this particular module how to understand the market and the buyers in your neighborhood. We have to look at the home staging principles and all the steps that you need to take to accomplish your project. Very important to do the proper research and the analysis of your current situation so you know what needs to be corrected and improved. And of course, everybody asks me about how do I know how much money am I going to spend. So I help you with determining the budget and the priorities for your project if you don't have enough money to do everything, which most people don't, of course. I do help you with a preparation plan worksheet, which is a tool that helps you to get organized. And I encourage you to go on our website, which is homestagingstepbystep.com. We do have some free tools available there for you as well to start your project successfully. One of them is a self assessment quiz. It's short and it's fun, and it will point you in the right direction. You'll know where you have some problems and issues and how you can make it better. We also have a free ebook with the great information and tips and techniques on how to stage your house on a very tight budget. So I hope you'll take a minute and go check it out, homestagingstepbystep.com. Thanks, everyone. See you soon.